welcome again to the Mix and Bake online school. This is Ikelu Biobako, the creative director and chief responsibility officer of Mix and Bake. I am your chief host for the Mix and Bake online school. In this lesson today, I have an interesting class to teach you. It's called the white chocolate sponge cake. White chocolate sponge cake. You know, we are all used to the dark chocolate cake, but in this class we are going to be teaching you, or I am going to be teaching you, the white chocolate cake. All right, now on the table with me I have all the ingredients we will be using, so I'll be going over them one by one. All right, on the table I have my white chocolate cake. Sorry, my white chocolate. That's so important. That's the essence of the class. Of course, there are other things on the table we're going to need, but you need your white chocolate. All right, this time we're not using dark chocolate. It's our white yummy chocolate. Okay, we need butter, not margarine. I'm sure by now you know the difference between margarine and butter. Butter makes your cake tastier. Of course, margarine makes it fluffier, but butter makes it tastier. Also, you can of course have a combination of butter and margarine, because margarine makes cakes fluffier more than butter, but of course butter makes cake tastier, lovelier taste than margarine. Now, margarine is from plant fat and butter is from animal fat. All right, I always hear that butter is healthier than margarine, because sometimes margarine, you have different components and chemicals mixed into margarine. Anyway, that's for another day. That's not the essence of this class. We need a vanilla flavor, all right, or any flavor of your choice. It can be any flavor of your choice, actually. It can be, you know, chocolate flavor. It can be any flavor. I've just chosen to use vanilla today. We need eggs. We will be needing baking powder. We will be needing baking soda. All right. We sure need a little salt. Yogurt, unsweetened yogurt, very, very important. Or you can substitute your yogurt for buttermilk if you have buttermilk. Okay, so you can either use unsweetened yogurt or buttermilk. We have, of course, our sugar, all right, and our flour. Then we have some other things on the table I'll be using. Okay, now you can see all the array of things I need on my table. You have downloadable recipes. All right, there's a place where you click and you click to download your recipe. Now we also need our wax paper for lining our pan. You can see I've lined one pan here. Okay, now I'll be teaching you how to line the second pan in the next lesson. So you can use baking sheets, wax paper, greaseproof paper, brown paper to line your pan. All right, I hope I've introduced you to everything I need in this class. All right, we will be moving on to the next lesson now. Remember, just click to download your recipe, and in this lesson we are teaching you white chocolate cake. white chocolate cake. Okay, then this is Ekelu Biobako again, creative director, chief host of the Mix and Bake online school. So see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.